Hey everybody, Travis of Blue Nail Roofing out here doing another roof replacement. I wanted to talk to you today about starter strips. Now starter strips go right at the rakes and eaves of your roof under that final row of shingles to keep them from lifting up in a high wind. Now let me show you what I'm talking about here. This right here is a starter strip, and you'll see right down there by the edge is a very thick adhesive line. Now that's what's going to keep your shingles from getting yanked up in a high wind because they're very vulnerable right at the edges of your roof. Now this is something that we have to fight and argue pretty frequently with insurance companies about because they tend to not want to pay for it. But the fact of the matter is every single manufacturer out there, according to manufacturer specs and the International Residential Code, you are supposed to have starter strips. So while we do negotiate with your insurance company to get that for you, even if they don't pay for it, if you're a Blue Nail customer, you're getting starter strips and at no extra cost. So that is something that we make sure that we do because we only do things one way. That's the right way. That's the Blue Nail way, and we want to do that for you. So if you'd like a roof replacement or just a courtesy inspection to make sure that your home's in one piece, check us out at bluenail.com today, and we're happy to come out and meet you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.